Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Jordan Report, and I am your host, Robert Jordan. Everyone, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, guys, here's NYPD again, beating up people for not wearing a mask. This time, it is not a black man. This is a woman with a daughter, with a very young daughter sitting there watching. It is terrible. It's like 9 officers on top of this woman, dragging her and beating her because she's not wearing a mask in New York City subway. I knew this stuff would get out of hand, and it's just getting worse and worse. I got an article and a clip, a 2-minute clip, and then we're going to get out of here. It doesn't look good. New York's Democrat Governor Andrew Cuomo and Democrat Mayor de Blasio have allowed their fears of COVID-19 to turn their state and the city of New York into a fascist hell. An incredible video that's being shared on social media is a perfect example of how law enforcement is being asked to deal with citizens who refuse to comply with their unconstitutional orders. In the video below, a mom and her young daughter can be seen walking up the stairs of an NYC subway in Brooklyn when police officers confront her about not wearing a mask. When the woman refuses to place the mask, When the woman refuses to place the mask she's wearing on her chin, over her mouth and her nose, several police officers surround her. The woman tries to resist their efforts to detain her, telling them, "Do not touch me." She warns them to leave her alone several times as she holds her daughter's hand. A black officer can be seen approaching her as she pushes her way backward, separating the mother from her daughter as more police officers converge on the woman. Once the woman is separated from her little girl, she is then tackled to the ground, handcuffed. The woman's young daughter can be seen standing by and watching throughout the whole entire unnecessary ordeal. Let me show you the clip, guys. It's terrible.
She got a kid with her. She got a kid with her, man. That's too much, man. You're a female, that's too much. Mask on. She got a mask on. The baby even on. That's too much, man.
You still need the mask on. All right, but you ain't even getting the
right now with no mask.
This little girl.
She's not gonna hit a cop. She's not gonna hit a cop. I know it. You can't hit a cop.
All right, get off me. I'm not tough. Get me up.
That's too much. Yo, take a kid with her.
All right, guys. In just a few months, look what happened to our country. Look what the Democrats did to America in just 2 months' time. We're in fascist Nazi Germany.